And this breaking news coming in, Pehlaj Nihalani just won't stop. The very sanskari censor chief now wants to cut the Katrina Kaif Siddharth Malhotra starrer Baar Baar Dekho. As the movie approaches its release date, the CBFC has objected reportedly to a shot of a woman in lingerie and also the mention of Savita Bhabhi.
नहीं ऐसा कोई confirmation नहीं है. We don't know what scenes have been cut. I think they're also not allowed to tell anybody what scenes have been cut. But as far as I know, no scenes have been cut.
But what do you say about this bizarre things?
But if it's not true, then what do I have to say about it?
देखते हैं हम लोग. 9th of September हम देखेंगे क्या scenes है picture में.
आपको क्या पता जो हमें नहीं पता.
Well, the stars of the film there trying to play down the issue, but let's get more details from my colleague Herman now, who joins us on the phone. Herman, what exactly is being objected to? What are the scenes that are going to go under the cut?
Well, this is with regards to the film Baar Baar Dekho, and in this particular film, which has been given a universal adult rating, two cuts have been suggested. One is to a visual of an undergarment in this particular film, and the second relates to a visual of an animation adult character. And this is where the CBFC has suggested these two particular cuts. The filmmakers on their part, meanwhile, have been questioning why is that the CBA is trying to be seen as a watchdog of moral policing in this particular case? Because remember, last time it was Uttar Punjab when the makers of the film who had gone to Bombay High Court, and the Bombay High Court had pulled up the CBFC as well as the chief to say that you need to look at the film in entirety and not just in part. And then it was just part with just a cut. Now, after that controversy, the CBFC is now back and has called itself once again, where you have now this film called Baar Baar Dekho starring Malhotra and Katrina Kaif, where both, the film, while it has been given universal adult rating, these are two cuts that have been suggested in the very film.
Herman, stay on with us. We're just going to try and see if we can improve that audio connection with you. It's not very clear, but what you've told us is that there are two scenes that are reportedly getting cut. One is a visual of someone in lingerie, and the other one is a visual or a scene reportedly about the animated character Savita Bhabhi. What exactly what is the objection that the CBFC has to these two particular scenes? What do we know about that? Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Herman there because that line wasn't very clear to begin with. But this is what we are being told. The censor board chief, once again at it, is now intending to cut scenes from Baar Baar Dekho, the Katrina Kaif and Siddharth Malhotra starrer. The movie is approaching its release date now. And what we are being told is that the CBFC has objected to a shot of a woman in lingerie and also the mention of animated character Savita Bhabhi. Herman.